Hey, Tiny Car Fanatics. Today I've got a Hot Wheels how-to for you. This is going to be a beach scene diorama. And I'm just using a scrap piece of XPS foam board that I had laying around. And that's Elmer white glue and beach sand. That's 100% white glue. There's no water mixed into this. And I'm just kind of adding the sand the way I want the beach to be. And here, this is a 50-50 mixture of white glue and water. And the secret ingredient here is kind of a little sketchy, but it's good old-fashioned TP. Yes, that's right. That's toilet paper. Oh, yes. So basically, I'm just going to do a lot of blotting of this toilet paper with water and glue. And I just blot it on with the paintbrush. I've got a little cup of it off camera. And basically, the more you blot, the better the water texture begins to look. And you can kind of form waves the way you want them. I've got about 3 layers of the toilet paper sheets on there. And if I did it again, I'd probably try 4 layers. But it does take a lot of blotting. I'd use a bigger paintbrush next time, too. But you can see it's starting to take shape. This is it pretty much dried up. And now I'm going to paint it. So after everything dries, which was more than 24 hours, I've started mixing the paints kind of together on the brush at the same time. And you can see I've got a little beigey. I want it to be beigey green, so it's closest to the shore, and then bluer as it gets deeper, supposedly. And I'm not particularly artistic, so this project was a little sketchy for me. I was a little bit nervous as to how this might turn out. And for my first attempt, I'm actually pretty pleased with this. And I'm just about done. I'm going to have to add some white caps to the waves, but so they show up better. Here we go. And that's also got a coating of the 50-50 glue mixture over the whole thing. And then I did the water area about 3 times with the 50-50 water glue mixture, just to kind of protect it. And those are a few of the other homemade dioramas I've done. Oh, yes. Anyway, let me know what you think of how this turned out down below. I'm super pleased for my first attempt. And until next time, do whatever makes you happy.